this video, we review this product and why this product is the best options in the market right now. First, let's see the specs of the product.
This is the Ruler Boa. It has dual zone Boa closures. This boot is great for a beginner rider finally stepping up to be an intermediate ripper, as it's giving you a little bit more stiffness than what you find with the Moto and a little bit more performance. Going to be great for somebody ripping the full mountain, whether it's park or groomers, somebody that's really just trying to step up from that beginner to intermediate. Good from day 1 till day 100. Ruler comes with the Imprint 2 liner, including welcoming man fur for extra comfort, and is supported by the lockup cuff internally for additional heel hold. This boot comes with dual zone Boa system with a mid-power dial on the side controlling your lower laces, high power coiler dial on the tongue to control your upper laces, and of course supported by New England ropes from top to bottom. This boot is great for an all-around rider with a mid-flex that'll work from the park to all-terrain conditions. Going to be great right out of the box, but have good durability to get you through a full season, on to the next one, and then some more.
Why we like this product. And these are rating for this product.